Have you ever been in a situation where you're working on a large project in Smartsheet and you start to get an error message saying that you've exceeded your data limit? So you're not alone. Many people don't know what the data limit for Smartsheet is, and it can be frustrating to run into this issue. In this video, we're going to answer the question, what is the data limit for Smartsheet? We'll also discuss some tips for managing your data usage in Smartsheet. What is the data limit for Smartsheet? The data limit for Smartsheet is 100 million cells. This means that you can have up to 100 million cells of data in your Smartsheet workbook. How does Smartsheet calculate the data limit? Smartsheet calculates the data limit by counting the number of cells that are used in your workbook. This includes all cells that contain data, including cells with formulas, text, numbers, and dates. What happens if you exceed the data limit? If you exceed the data limit, you will receive an error message saying that you have exceeded your storage quota. You will not be able to add any new data to your workbook until you delete some existing data. Tips for managing your data usage in Smartsheet. Here are a few tips for managing your data usage in Smartsheet. Use the Compact View feature. This feature will reduce the size of your workbook by removing unnecessary formatting and whitespace. Delete and used sheets and rows. If you have any sheets or rows that you are not using, you can delete them to free up space. Use the Filter and Sort features. These features can help you to find and remove duplicate data. Export your data to another file format. If you need to save a copy of your workbook that is smaller than the 100 million cell limit, you can export it to another file format, such as Excel or CSV. The data limit for Smartsheet is 100 million cells. If you exceed the data limit, you will receive an error message saying that you have exceeded your storage quota. You will not be able to add any new data to your workbook until you delete some existing data. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on using Smartsheet.